Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today we show you how to buy FTMO challenge. Friends, all you have to do, go to Google and search for FTMO challenge, and after that you see this page. Friends, click register if you don't have account, and write your email and password. For example, write a strong password to keep your account safe, guys. And this is the unparted steps. Write your account here, all information, and click register. After that, guys, you need to verification your email address. After, as you can see here, just await your verification your email steps, address, verify your email. After that, all you have to do, log in and click on sign up. This is the first step, friends. You should to do. For example, write your email address from here. Write your and click login, guys, and log in your credential information like email and password, as you can see here, friends. And you will see this page. Click on new FTMO challenge, click this option, new FTMO challenge, and write account balance. For example, you choose this one and click the platform. After that, write your currency and click agree from here and click confirm process, and then you will purchase your FTMO challenge. Thanks guys for watching this video.